Good day, one and all. My name is Kathy, and welcome to this episode of the Scrap and Crafty Gardener. Today, I am unboxing the February release I just got from Gina K Designs. I took it out of the box, but I haven't opened it yet. And I'm going to use scissors because this sticky tape is really sticky on this bubble wrap. I didn't order as much as I normally do. Trying to watch the budget a little bit. Oh my goodness, I apologize for the noise. I love how they package. Everything comes safe and sound and secure. Okay, well, this part's undone. I ordered Master Layouts 1 and Master Layouts 2. Now, these are for A2 size cards, but you can also use these other pieces in 5x7. And I am making A2 cards for my Peddler's Den cards. So I needed some sizes for those. So I've got those. And this is a bit of spring. This is I think this is this stamp set? No, this is the die set. Because I chose, you can now choose which one you want for your incentive set. And I chose a bit of spring. It says, "You make my world a better place. I wish I could be there with you." And then that came free when you ordered more than $75. And then I ordered the the die set to go with that. I think that's so pretty. And then this is the Essential Greetings stamp and die bundle. It says, and I just love these because I don't have some of these sayings. Happy Independence Day, sending you strength. Happy anniversary, happily ever after. Happy retirement with sympathy. Happy birthday, thinking of you. Congratulations, friends forever, just for you. Hello, believe, celebrate. Get well, miss you. Good luck, Mr. and Mrs. I love you. Just a note. I like that one. Best wishes, it's your day. And then there's little leaves and flowers and little itty bitty leaves that you can use to accent. So I like that set. And everything's looking yellow today. Hold on, let me see if I can adjust while I have you on. Let's see if I can adjust. That's better. Okay. Yeah, I use Camo Studio and StreamYard. And it did an upgrade and it changed and turned everything yellow. But it's not yellow. All right. Now, I also ordered, this is not part of the release, but it was just something I needed. And that didn't do any good. I ordered more paper. Thankfully, that brown was just packing because it stuck right to it. I ordered some more chocolate truffle of their heavyweight cardstock. I use this a lot since I got it, and I'm liking it. And then I got the card kit for the month, mainly because I love their card kits and I love the stencils. Okay, this one has Flower Medley. You make me so grateful. You are the best friend ever, so very special in my thoughts and you. And it has the matching die set also. And then this is the Sending Flowers stamp and die bundle. And I love these garden theme flowers. And I just watched a video last night where Gina was making a card with this. And then this, it looks like gauze. Of course, being a 5x7 card maker, I would love for that to be a little bit larger, but I can make that work in my cards. It says, "You are a ray of sunshine. Thank you for being a friend. So sorry for your loss. Thanks. I miss you like crazy. Birthday wishes to you, sweet friend. For all you do, hello. You are my favorite, and you're always on my mind, and you make me happy." And then this is the Flower Medley. Okay, Flower Medley. aha, these are the stencils to go with these flowers. This is what I love. I love stencils, and when they coordinate with the stamp set, that really gets me. That's a great combination. And then Shimmering Roses stencil set. And that one makes this flower set here. That's very pretty. And then this is the Modern Hydrangea. And that makes this flower. And those are going to be beautiful. Oh, and what else is in here? This is a Gina K Designs sticky mat. Let me check this out. Well, all right, I'm just gonna cut it open. With this cold weather, my arthritis is acting up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, and that might work because the waffle flower grip mats do not stick to my silicone mat. This does. It's not sliding around, so I might be able to use that for stenciling while I'm using my. I only use this on camera, this gray silicone, because the glass mat underneath is pretty shiny and it reflects a lot. All right. Oh, this is a very nice card kit. This is all for today. I might play a little bit more, and I am going to make this in a card for tomorrow's video. Not with this stencil, but with the matching stencil. And I think I want to, I could be using You Make Me So Grateful or You Are in My Thoughts. I'll have to decide on that. But then again, I like this one too. I might see if I can get this to work in a 5x7 card. Okay, so it's going to be one of these two tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I did make, yesterday my brother's having surgery and he came through that very well. They sent some samples off for biopsy, so we'll have to wait. But the doctor said everything looked good. He did well. But while I was waiting to hear from that, I did take some still images of my reworked desk area and some of my craft area that I have straightened up. Surprising what energy you get when you're trying to do things. So I will put those on. I'll put those on today, just as in the, I think it's the community tab, or it might be announcements or something. I know they've changed the name of it on YouTube, but I'll put those pictures in there so you can kind of see how I revamped my work area and what I have in it. Just a very short video for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you later.